Hi there, I thought we'd do a craft today that I've been putting off. I've never made it. I've only seen pictures of it. You know me, I go by a picture. I'm gonna just show you everything that I can use and let's see what we can come up with. We got a pizza pan. We have give thanks. And also I have this one because I'm not sure which one I want to use. Okay. We've got some rope, Nautica rope, all bought at the Dollar Tree. I have a bow. They come in a 2-pack. I cut off some dried flowers. And I've got some twine if needed. I don't know. Let's see what we're going to come up with. This is how I roll. This is how I do things. You never know what's going to be on my videos, and I don't know how it's going to come out. Let's see if I can bring you down without dropping you. Well, I didn't drop you, so that's a good thing, and the sun's not beaming on us. Well, let's start with this. Let's see if we can do something with this. What are we going to do? Do I want to? I think we'll put it. Yeah. I think my glue gun's ready. I think we'll start right here. Let's hope we don't burn fingers here. I'm good at doing that, you know. Let's just run a bead a short ways down like this. How hot this gun is. I have another glue gun that's runs portable battery. No, it's not battery, it's a plug-in. But I have a hard time getting it to go. So here we go here. I'm not sure if I got enough glue or if the glue's hot enough, but we're going to do this. Again, I'm only going by a picture I saw. Don't know if it's right. I hope it is. But hey, if not, we've had a good time chatting, right? Okay, stop right there. So far, I haven't been burnt with the glue, so that's another plus, which I've known to do. When you're working with a glue gun, it's good if you have a glass of ice water, because as soon as you get burnt, you can put your fingers right in it. If you got a little bowl or something, it sure does help. Okay, let's see. We'll spin it around here. I just love my new setup here in my craft room. I love the table that was gifted to me by my beautiful daughter-in-law. It holds a lot. I can organize my things. And everything's right at hand when I need it. So that is a good thing. What's everybody doing? Whoa! Thought I was gluing my hair there for a minute. What's everybody been doing for a craft, or have you been doing any crafts? Oh, let's see here. I've been a little bit of doing this, that, and the other. I do want to thank everybody for the wonderful prayers they've been giving me while I've been recovering from vertigo and broken ribs. I am feel so much better. You have no idea how much better I feel. I really do. I feel great compared to what I did. Put a little bit right there. Ooh, the gun really smells hot now. Ow, yow, ow, talking about water. Where's the water? Yeah. I knew I couldn't get done without at least getting one good burn. Oh yeah, she's nice and hot now. Trying to think if I guess I don't need any. Thought I needed a little something right there. I need a little something right there, or just twist it up a little. Yeah. Let's see. I had my scissors right here. And we'll just give it a little bit of a cut right there. Oh, this isn't cutting good. I didn't know it was going to cut that hard. I had to get a better pair of shears. I think we're going to go over and Is that, nah, it didn't take right here real good. So I didn't think the glue was all that warm. And apparently it wasn't. Let's put it right back up on here. Just like that. Don't burn your fingers and we'll be doing good. How many of y'all burnt fingers before? I sure have. Look, the glue's still on it. Yep. I just had all these projects I've been wanting to do, so I thought if I could knock them out, it would be a good thing. Okay, not sure. Look at this. You have extra. Not sure which one I want to use. I don't know if I want to use this one or if I want to use this one. Don't know which I'd like to use. Could do something like that. I almost think you need something more round. I don't know. What do I know? Yes, no, maybe. I don't want it to look, I want it to look kind of plain, but not. I think right there would look good. Give thanks. Yeah. I think that's what we'll do. Looks like I need another glue stick. Push that through here a little bit. Okay, where did I decide I'm going to put this? We'll put some glue on this. See how it's going to do. And what I did, this was a garden stake, and I twisted the garden stake off and just took the top. Yeah, just put it all over. Just like that. See if I can start a new one. This one looks a little thinner than the one I had in there. That's all right. I'm sure it will work. Oh yeah, there she goes. Okay. Then we're going to take this and I think I want it about right there. We'll hold it down for a minute or two. Give thanks. Yep, we have a lot to be thankful for. Oh, I got the little tag. So everything was at the 125 store. And don't you all know I love the 125 store. Got a little bit of a plastic right here. And again, I want to say thanks for all the prayers and thanks for supporting me. Prayers do help, I'll tell you that. Well, for some reason, it just don't want to come out. So what we'll do is do that. And we'll tuck it underneath if it doesn't want to come out for some reason. That will be good. And seems to be pretty firm there. Actually, I think these are pretty good just the way they are. I didn't realize they were going to be. I'm going to push it down a little bit. Just like that. And then here's the bow. And I think we're going to, we want to show, give the thanks. Because we all got a lot to be thankful for. Like this. Hold it for a minute. For some reason it doesn't feel like it's sticking, but we shall see. We shall see. This is a quick, easy project. You can do it with your grandmother, your aunt, your brother, your sister, whoever you'd like to do it with. And so far, that's what we got. And don't know. Let me see what we got here. I want to take this. Oh yeah, that makes it pop a little more, don't you think? What do you think? I do. I think it makes it pop a little. Need a little bit of that color in there. Maybe I'm going to have to get that. Figure out that other glue gun. These glue sticks aren't as good. I don't know why. But it's all good. We'll make it work. As I say, we will make it work. I think we'll go like this. Yeah, just like that. Why not? And then I think we will take a very short piece of this. You can always cut it. Flip this upside down. See, we want it about right here. We want it about right here. Very disappointed in these glue sticks. It's all right, we'll get it to work. Right there. We'll put this one a little up. Gotta push it, but hey, you know what? It's okay. It's all good. Now, I'm just gonna, what am I gonna use? I'll just use this. I don't have my little, things, I got little things you can put on your fingers to protect. But I don't see anything here I have. Guess I could use this. Clean it up after. And look, you can hang it just like that. But I'm wondering if we don't need more flowers. Do we think, you think we need more of something on there? I don't know. What do you think? Well, I'm going to look at it, and if I do, I'm just going to come back, put some flowers around like this, and I'll insert a picture at the end. I'm not sure. I need to look it over. Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to stay and see the picture on the final result, and I may just leave it like this. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I have decided to put flowers around it. So what do you think? Did you like it better without the flowers or better with the flowers? The only thing that I've got to say is it shows the pizza pan right here. Maybe if you sprayed it like a light beige or something, that might, or paint it, or fill it in with some more flowers. But there you go. Unique piece, one of a kind, made by Maniac Grammy Brenda. If you're not subscribed to my page, hit that bell because you never know what's going to be on my videos. And here it is to hang it here. And now I'm going to go hang it on my door. Have a great day. God bless. And we will see you tomorrow. This is the final. This is the end. Bye now.